So this activity will be on integer sums and differences, and it is part of the recap of some number sense skills from grade 8. So going back to the previous activity and looking at some of the key points, we had 0 being represented by one red and one blue tile. So whenever you have one red tile and one blue tile, it will always equal 0. And that we consider that these tiles cancel each other out when we're putting different numbers together. So again, we had positive 3, negative 3, 3 red and 3 blue, which all canceled out to give us a result of 0. We had negative 2 and positive 2, which again canceled out to give us 0. We looked at a positive 4 and a negative 1, when only one 0 canceled out, and we were left with positive 3. And we looked at positive 3 and negative 4, where we had 3 zeros cancel out and we're left with a blue tile or negative 1. We looked at the idea that opposite integers have the same numeric value, like 3 and 3, 2 and 2, but have opposite signs, and the sum of opposite integers is always 0. This is called now the zero principle. And zeros occur when you have the same number of negative integers as positive integers, or the same number as red tiles as blue tiles. If now we look at adding integers together, adding positive integers is something we're probably comfortable with, but we can still model it using the tiles. So positive 3, positive 2 would be 3 red, 2 red, which would give us 5 red tiles, or positive 5. 3 plus 1 would be 3 red and 1 red to give us 4 red, or positive 4. Positive 4 plus positive 1, again, we've talked about the idea of when you don't necessarily need all the signs, but here it means the same thing. Positive 4, 4 red tiles, and positive 1, 1 red tile, is 5 red tiles, or positive 5. Positive 3 and positive 4, lots of signs and brackets here, but again, if we look at what it means, positive 3, 3 red tiles, and positive 4, 4 red tiles, gives us 7 red tiles. Now if we look at adding negative integers, it'll be the same concept, but we'll be working with blue tiles. Negative 3 and negative 2, 3 blue tiles and 2 blue tiles, gives us 5 blue tiles, or negative 5. Negative 3 and negative 1, or negative 3 plus negative 1, 3 blue and 1 blue gives us 4 blue, and of course the blue means negative 4. Negative 4 and negative 1, 4 blue and 1 blue is negative 5. Negative 3 and negative 4, 3 blue and 4 blue is 7 blue, or negative 7. So if we look at the chart at the top, the sum of two positive integers will always be positive. If we look at the chart below, or adding blue tiles, the sum of two negative integers is negative.